A super simple step-by-step guide for weight loss fast with a keto diet. Step 1. Calculate your macros. To determine your macro goals, you'll need to calculate your basal metabolic rate, BMR, and adjust it based on your activity level and goals. Step 2. Get your supplies. To get started on the keto diet, you'll need to stock up on high-fat, low-carb foods. Step 3. Start eating keto. Once you've calculated your macros and have your kitchen stocked with low-carb foods, you're ready to start eating keto. Make sure to get enough fat and protein, and limit your carbs. Step 4. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress while on the keto diet. This will help you stay motivated and make sure you're on track with your goals. Step 5. Adjust your macros as needed. As you progress with your keto diet, you may need to adjust your macros to ensure you're getting the best results. Step 6. Get support. It can be helpful to have support from family and friends while on the keto diet. This can help you stay motivated and on track with your goals. Step 7. Do this daily, and you will see results within a week.